Trust. Trust is the personal belief in correctness of something. It is the deep conviction of truth and rightness and cannot be enforced. If you gain someone's trust, you have established an interpersonal relationship based on communication, shared values and experiences. Trust always depends on mutuality. This process has been reshaped by the computer industry. Now a microchip does that task for you. The industry calls it trusted computing. This chip will be in computers, notebooks, servers, PDAs, cell phones, game units, DVD players, set-top boxes, watches, and it will be in your devices too. What has trusted computing to do with trust? Let us show you. In a trusted computing environment, the major goal is to protect us from potential threats. The original trusted computing idea is designed to let you decide what to consider as threat and what to consider trustworthy. You can control by your own personal conviction. Trusted computing. Sounds great, doesn't it? The industry's interpretation of the trusted computing idea looks quite similar, aiming at the same, to fight threats and make computing trustworthier. The main difference is that you cannot decide by your own what is trustworthy and what is not. Because they already decided for you, and they already decided not to trust you. So, if they don't trust you, why should you trust them? Trust is the personal belief in trust always depends on mutuality. Trusted computing. Sounds great. Is it? Learn more